If your horse bucks out of nowhere, the real problem isn't the buck. It's the hidden resistance that you haven't found yet. This is Sierra. She's one of those horses that seemed fine until she suddenly bucked her owner off. I used to discipline horses for bucking until I learned that bucking was a symptom of a deeper resistance. Today we're on our 4th session of uncovering that resistance through roping the belly. You can see the resistance is way less than on day 1, 2, or 3. So it's getting better. It's still showing up, but it's way less resistance. That tells me that our patterns are working. I start the lesson, she decides how long it lasts. That's how the conversation is pure, and I'm able to collect data on what she really thinks. I don't have to guess. I'm here to give her a choice that makes softness with no resistance the best answer. You'll see me apply the pressure, but the key is how and when I release it. The timed release and restart is how we have a clear conversation. It takes time for a horse to come to a real, genuine decision. If she makes that decision not to kick when she's fresh and feeling good, that's going to be more genuine in real life settings. But if she's tired and she don't kick, that's false data. So that's the end of this lesson. If you've just found this video, this is one piece of a full journey with Sierra. We started at Liberty and then went into halter work, where each step builds on the last. I'd encourage you to start from the beginning and watch the whole series so you can see how we turn a resistant, out of the blue bucking horse into a confident, willing partner. If you like this approach, I've put links below to more resources, including the full series and free guides on the concepts that we use.